Do you want some side income? How about a job where you can make your own schedule? And what if you were able to cash out your earnings anytime you choose? My name is Tim Hess, and I'm a platinum Uber driver. I'm also an experienced Lyft driver, and I absolutely love my job as a rideshare driver. I've created this course to show you everything you need to know as a future Uber or Lyft driver. Even if you're already a driver on one of the platforms, this course is still for you. You'll discover plenty of secrets that most drivers have no idea about. In the course, you'll learn everything you need to know as a new driver, including signing up with both the Uber and Lyft platform, some on-the-road basics, creating a good driver experience, maximizing your ratings and earnings as a driver, and the best times to go online. And if you're an experienced driver, there's plenty more in the course for you, including some tax season tips, the best and worst holidays to drive, and how to use both the Uber and Lyft platforms simultaneously to maximize your earnings. So let's dive in.